Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
We've had near record high temperatures the last couple of days. We've got more of that on the way. Look at this. Next Monday, the record 64. We're forecasting 61. And how about Tuesday? We may tie or maybe even break a record high. Can you believe mid-60s for early January? Some crazy weather. By the way, this December, though, even with the recent warm weather here at the end, it is going to be colder than the last 4 Decembers. So it's been 5 years since we've just seen a December that has been this cold, even with some of this warm weather here at the very tail end of the month. Today's high hit 58 degrees, another near record warm day. 63 is the record, so we only missed it by 5 degrees. Rainfall here at the station just under about 1/2 of an inch. So we're up to 2.08 so far for the month. Will we get to 2.9? I don't know. I mean, we may be once again drier than normal for the 4th month in a row. I don't know that we're going to get that much more rain before it ends here later on tonight. River Stage and Terre Haute stationary right now, just over 4 feet. What are we tracking? Well, a lot of things are going on as we head for the holiday weekend. First of all, we've got some rain tonight, but that'll be tapering off. Mild weekend, near record highs. I just talked about that. And we may see some thunderstorms in here, maybe some stronger storms as we start the new year coming up next Monday, late into early on Tuesday. At the airport in Terre Haute, we're at 47 right now. The winds are north at about 8 miles per hour, so the temperatures are cooling some, but still not bad. We still have a 51 over here in Bloomington and Washington, but 41 up in Champaign and Danville. A front making its way through, and that's cooling temperatures off just a little bit. You can see the moisture kind of right over the area. However, this won't last long before the rain will taper off later tonight. You can see it's kind of just centered right over this area. When you look at it a little closer, you get out here in central Illinois and up near Chicago, hasn't rained. Actually, the sun has been shining in western portions of Illinois. On the Dorsett Automotive Doppler radar, we're already starting to see this become a bit more scattered in nature, so that's going to be the case tonight. There'll be some rain for a while. Not going to amount to a ton, but we may see a little more, maybe 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch in places before it's all done. And then this is all over. Notice the clock by tomorrow morning. Clouds early. I think we'll get some breaks in the clouds later on. So once we hit 3, 4 in the afternoon, some breaks in the clouds. So the rain pretty much ends, and then we have a dry holiday weekend with some pretty good temperatures in there as well. More cloud cover as we get into the day on Sunday. Maybe a sprinkle here or there, but that's really about it. Rainfall, now this is on top of what we've already gotten. We're pretty much done to the north and west. Some of the southern counties may pick up another 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch, but again, that'll be tapering off here later tonight. So then our focus turns to the next system. This will be arriving late Monday. Notice by Monday evening it moves into the area, overnight into Tuesday. This would indicate here maybe some thunderstorms in this early on Tuesday morning. That will move out, giving us drier and cooler weather as we head for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. But when I say cooler, I'm talking about just back to near normal, it looks like. We still have a chance from about I-70 south of some strong storms for us. That would be Monday night, Tuesday. That's the time period that we're looking at. And temperature-wise, you can see the coldest of the air stays off to the north of this area. We don't really see anything real cold here for a while, and it looks like that trend is going to continue. As a matter of fact, long term, all the way out to the 13th, above normal temperatures. Forecast tonight, rain will taper off as the night wears on. Temperatures not bad, will drop a little bit down to 39. Then during the day tomorrow, we'll have a lot of clouds early, breaks in the clouds later on, but a pretty good day with a daytime high running up to about 48 degrees. And then after that, we've got a pretty good day on Sunday for the holiday, near record warmth early next week with showers and storms, and then back to normal Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Omar.
That's the way to ring in the new year. Jesse, thank you. As of last night.